Ever wondered how some people retire early while others work forever? The answer lies in these 5 passive income strategies. Passive income investment strategies are essential for anyone looking to build wealth and achieve financial independence. Unlike active income, which requires continuous effort and time, passive income allows individuals to earn money with minimal ongoing involvement. If you want to see more videos like this, please support the channel by subscribing, sharing, and liking the video. This distinction is crucial, as it often separates the wealthy from those who struggle financially. Wealthy individuals understand the power of leveraging their money to generate income without the need for constant work, enabling them to focus on other pursuits or investments. In this video, we will explore 5 key passive income investment strategies that can help you on your journey to financial freedom. First, we will discuss real estate investing, which can provide rental income and long-term appreciation. Next, we will delve into dividend stocks, where investing in companies that pay dividends can yield a steady income stream. Third, we will cover peer-to-peer lending, a modern approach that allows you to earn interest by lending money to individuals or small businesses. The fourth strategy involves creating and selling digital products, which can generate ongoing revenue with minimal effort once established. Finally, we will look at index funds, a low-cost investment option that offers diversification and the potential for growth over time. By implementing these strategies, you can create multiple streams of passive income, ultimately leading to greater financial security and the freedom to pursue your passions. Imagine a life where your money works for you, allowing you to spend time on what truly matters. Join us as we dive deeper into each of these strategies, providing you with the knowledge and tools needed to start your journey toward financial independence and a more fulfilling life. Passive income is defined as earnings derived from investments or business ventures that require minimal effort to maintain, allowing individuals to generate revenue without the need for continuous active work. This contrasts sharply with active income, which is earned through direct involvement in a job or service, where time and effort directly correlate with earnings. Understanding this distinction is crucial for anyone seeking financial independence, as passive income can provide a sustainable way to build wealth over time. The significance of passive income lies in its ability to free individuals from the constraints of traditional employment, enabling them to focus on personal interests, hobbies, or even additional business ventures. The benefits of earning money without active work are numerous. It allows for greater flexibility in how one spends their time, reduces financial stress, and can lead to a more balanced lifestyle. For instance, imagine being able to travel or spend time with family without worrying about how to pay the bills. Personally, my journey toward passive income began when I realized that my active job was limiting my potential for financial growth. After years of working long hours, I sought ways to create income streams that would require less of my time. I started investing in real estate, which not only provided rental income but also taught me valuable lessons about market dynamics and property management. Additionally, I explored dividend stocks, which offered a way to earn money while I slept. These experiences opened my eyes to the possibilities of passive income, motivating me to pursue strategies that would ultimately lead to financial independence. By sharing my journey, I hope to inspire others to explore the world of passive income and take steps toward achieving their own financial goals. Investing in real estate investment trusts, or REITs, is an accessible way to enter the real estate market, even with a modest amount like $1,000. A REIT is a company that owns, operates, or finances income-producing real estate across various sectors, such as residential, commercial, and industrial properties. By pooling funds from multiple investors, REITs allow individuals to invest in large-scale real estate projects without the need to buy or manage properties directly. This structure not only provides diversification but also offers liquidity, as many REITs are publicly traded on stock exchanges. A well-known example of a REIT is Simon Property Group, which specializes in retail real estate, owning and managing a portfolio of shopping malls and outlets. Investing in Simon Property Group or similar REITs can be done easily through a brokerage account, where you can purchase shares just like you would with stocks. One of the most attractive aspects of REITs is their potential for generating dividends. By law, REITs are required to distribute at least 90% of their taxable income to shareholders in the form of dividends, making them an appealing option for income-seeking investors. This means that with your initial $1,000 investment, you can start earning regular dividend payments, providing a steady income stream. Additionally, REITs can offer capital appreciation, as the value of the underlying properties may increase over time, leading to higher share prices. This combination of dividends and potential price growth makes REITs an appealing investment choice for those looking to build wealth. By investing in REITs, you can gain exposure to the real estate market, enjoy passive income, and take steps toward achieving your financial goals, all starting with just $1,000. Investing in municipal bond funds offers several compelling benefits, particularly for those looking to support public projects while enjoying potential financial advantages. Municipal bonds, often referred to as munis, are debt securities issued by state and local governments to finance various public projects, such as schools, highways, and hospitals. By purchasing these bonds, investors essentially lend money to these entities, which in turn helps fund essential infrastructure and community services. This not only contributes to the betterment of society, but also provides investors with a relatively stable investment option. One of the most significant advantages of municipal bonds is their tax benefits. Interest income earned from municipal bonds is often exempt from federal income tax, and in many cases, it is also exempt from state and local taxes for residents of the issuing state. This tax-exempt status can make municipal bonds particularly attractive to high-income earners seeking to minimise their tax liabilities. As a result, the after-tax return on municipal bonds can be more favourable compared to taxable investments, making them a smart choice for tax-conscious investors. A specific example of a municipal bond fund is the BlackRock New York Municipal Opportunities Fund. This fund focuses on investing in a diversified portfolio of municipal bonds issued within New York State, providing investors with exposure to local projects while benefiting from the associated tax advantages. The fund aims to deliver a high level of current income while preserving capital, making it an appealing option for those looking to invest in their community. By investing in municipal bond funds like this one, individuals can enjoy the dual benefits of supporting public initiatives and enhancing their investment portfolios, with tax-efficient income ultimately contributing to their long-term financial goals. Investing in dividend-paying stocks is an appealing strategy for those seeking to generate income while also benefiting from potential capital appreciation. Dividend stocks are shares of companies that return a portion of their profits to shareholders in the form of regular cash payments, known as dividends. This can provide investors with a steady income stream, making dividend stocks particularly attractive for retirees or anyone looking to supplement their income. Additionally, many dividend-paying companies tend to be well-established and financially stable, which can offer a level of security in an investment portfolio. The potential returns from dividend stocks can be significant, as investors not only receive dividend payments but also have the opportunity to benefit from the stock's price appreciation over time. However, investing in dividend stocks is not without its risks. A prime example is Macy's, a well-known retail company that has historically paid dividends to its shareholders. While Macy's may seem like a reliable dividend stock, it has faced challenges in recent years due to changing consumer behaviours and increased competition from online retailers. These factors have led to fluctuations in its stock price and raised concerns about the sustainability of its dividend payments. Investors must be aware that if a company experiences financial difficulties, it may reduce or eliminate its dividend, which can negatively impact returns. Therefore, it is crucial to conduct thorough research before investing in any dividend stock. This includes analysing the company's financial health, understanding its business model, and evaluating industry trends. By doing so, investors can make informed decisions and better assess the risks and rewards associated with dividend-paying stocks. Ultimately, while dividend stocks can be a valuable addition to an investment portfolio, careful consideration and due diligence are essential to navigate the potential pitfalls and maximise returns. Investing in index funds is an excellent strategy for those seeking passive income, particularly for beginners looking to grow their wealth with minimal effort. Index funds are investment vehicles designed to track the performance of a specific market index, such as the S&P 500. By pooling money from multiple investors, these funds purchase a diversified portfolio of stocks that mirror the index, allowing investors to gain exposure to a broad range of companies without having to select individual stocks. This diversification reduces risk and simplifies the investment process, making index funds an ideal choice for those new to investing. One of the key benefits of index funds is their low expense ratios compared to actively managed funds. Since index funds are passively managed, they incur fewer fees, which can significantly enhance long-term returns. Additionally, index funds typically provide consistent performance that aligns with the overall market, making them a reliable option for investors seeking steady growth over time. Another important aspect of investing in index funds is the power of dividend reinvestment. Many companies within an index, such as those in the S&P 500, pay dividends to their shareholders. By reinvesting these dividends back into the fund, investors can purchase more shares, which can compound their returns over time. This strategy not only accelerates the growth of the investment, but also helps to build wealth more effectively. Typically, an S&P 500 index fund offers a yield of around 1.5% to 2%, depending on market conditions and the specific fund. While this yield may seem modest, the combination of capital appreciation and reinvested dividends can lead to substantial growth over the long term. Overall, investing in index funds provides a straightforward, cost-effective way to generate passive income while benefiting from the overall growth of the market. Generating income through Airbnb can be a rewarding venture, especially for those looking to invest with a relatively small amount of capital. Setting up an Airbnb rental begins with identifying a suitable property, which could be a spare room in your home, an entire apartment, or even a unique space like a tiny house or a converted garage. The initial investment can be minimal, particularly if you already own the property. However, if you're starting from scratch, you might consider renting a space that you can sublet on Airbnb, provided you have the landlord's permission. The initial costs associated with setting up an Airbnb rental typically include furnishing the space, creating an inviting atmosphere, and ensuring that it meets safety and cleanliness standards. This might involve purchasing essential items like bedding, kitchenware, and decor, which can be done on a budget. Depending on the location and type of property, potential earnings can vary significantly. In popular tourist areas, hosts can charge premium rates, especially during peak seasons. Many Airbnb hosts report earning anywhere from a few hundred to several $1,000s per month, depending on occupancy rates and pricing strategies. One of the appealing aspects of managing an Airbnb rental is the relatively low time commitment involved. Once the property is set up and listed, the ongoing management primarily includes communicating with guests, handling bookings, and coordinating cleaning between stays. Many hosts find that they can automate much of this process through the Airbnb platform, which streamlines communication and payment processing. Additionally, hiring a cleaning service can further reduce the time spent on property upkeep. Overall, Airbnb hosting offers a flexible way to generate income with manageable initial costs and a low time commitment, making it an attractive option for many aspiring entrepreneurs. In this video, we explored 5 effective passive income investment strategies that can help you on your journey to financial independence. First, we discussed real estate investing, which allows you to earn rental income and benefit from property appreciation. Next, we delved into dividend stocks, where investing in companies that pay dividends can provide a steady income stream. We also covered peer-to-peer lending, a modern approach that enables you to earn interest by lending money to individuals or small businesses. The fourth strategy involved creating and selling digital products, which can generate ongoing revenue with minimal effort once established. Finally, we looked at index funds, a low-cost investment option that offers diversification and the potential for long-term growth. Taking action is crucial when it comes to achieving financial independence. Each of these strategies offers unique opportunities to build wealth over time, but the key is to start implementing them. Whether you choose to invest in real estate, stocks, or create digital products, the sooner you begin, the closer you will be to reaching your financial goals. Remember, passive income is not just about making money. It's about creating a lifestyle that allows you to focus on what truly matters to you. We encourage you to engage with us by liking this video and subscribing to our channel for more insights on passive income and investment strategies. Additionally, we would love to hear from you. Share your own investment ideas or experiences in the comments below. Your insights could inspire others on their journey to financial freedom. Together, we can build a community focused on achieving financial independence and exploring the many avenues available for generating passive income. Thank you for watching, and let's take the next steps toward financial success together.